Hey everyone, it's Rob from Archie and Me. So we're just hiding out in the van. I don't know if you can hear the rain or anything, but pretty windy today, pretty miserable. So I'm a bit behind with some supplies arriving. A few things in there because of COVID and all that sort of stuff, and suppliers being at max, having to wait. So I've decided today, before I go back to work, literally to put some insulation on the sides and the walls, just start putting some of that in as we just to get moving and all that sort of stuff. So tomorrow I'm hoping to, when I finish work, come back, lift the floor up. I'm hoping, fingers crossed, I've been promised that the wood battens and the Celotex 25mm insulation should arrive so I can get the floor done, and fingers crossed that I can get on the roof and start putting the roof vents in. The only other issue I had was literally the solar panel was due to arrive 2 days ago. That was damaged by the couriers, so that's had to go back. Now I'm just waiting for the supplier to then send me a new solar panel. So yeah, in this video we're just going to literally start putting some recycled bottle, plastic bottle insulation, trim fix it in and all that sort of stuff, and just start putting it in. And then, like I said, tomorrow we'll crack on, do some more videos. So enjoy the video. It's pretty boring. Hopefully the sound quality is better, hopefully the lighting's a bit better, and hopefully the road noise is going to be a bit better as well. So let's crack on.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. The fuck's wrong with them? I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. For I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done. I'm a drink at this place. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Ooh. Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? If I had an option to be someone else, I would, and let go of you. I know that I'm obvious, fuck it, I'm made this way. But why didn't I stay when I had the chance? Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. For I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done in my drink at this pace. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Ooh. Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? The only one that's left in the rain. The only one that's left in the rain. Am I the only one? 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 Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Ooh. Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the rain?
So that is what I'm going to do for today, just so you're aware of all that sort of stuff. So I'm not actually going to be doing the whole vehicle today. I'm going to do some more tomorrow, get as much done as I can, so I'll finish the rest of this video. So this is just a short video just to show you what putting the insulation in. Don't forget to give it a good kick just to test, you know. Little spaces like this, I've got some expanding foam, so I'll expanding foam round places. So we'll try and get as much out as possible, as much in as possible, expanding foam in nooks and crannies. But that's literally part of the insulation. So I bought 2 rolls of the big stuff, 2 rolls of the smaller stuff to shove in the gaps and all that sort of stuff. So I think 2 rolls of the big stuff is going to be for one side, so I might have to order another couple more, but we'll see how we go. But you can imagine when it's all done, 25mm Celotex, raised floor, battened out, insulated, the wood back on top, so you've got like a 25mm insulation barrier on your floor. So again, 25mm Celotex insulation on the ceiling as well, and then all this recycled plastic bottle stuff into the sides, the rear doors, the side doors, panels and all that sort of stuff, into all the gaps around here and here. It will be quite warm, I'd imagine, and also act as a barrier between the sun outside to try and keep the van pretty cool and safe. So it'll be pretty amazing, because once that insulation's in, then you've got the final silver foil barrier, vapour barrier wrap that will go in as well, so you've got quite a bit of insulation inside quite a big van. And then my plan is from there, literally like I said before in the video, is a kitchen area here, so we'll just plywood sheets around here, frame the windows, all that sort of stuff, and then we're going to tongue and groove everywhere else around the living area and ceiling and the back doors and that side door. So that's pretty much it for today. So that's part of my installation, that's part 1. I'll do a time lapse of all the different parts of insulation that I do, so you can get to see an idea of it, but I hope that helps. Any questions, leave us a question below. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to leave Archie some love, because he feels left out at times if you don't message him. And thanks for everything that you do, for supporting us, and we'll see you, yeah, you in there, on the next video. Bye for now.